Control to receiving. Delivery 04 is approaching the ramp. Confirm readiness.
Ready, control. Guiding them in now.
Steady, steady, that's it. Right through the gate there. Easy now, straight ahead. That's it, girls, keep moving.
Water quality is optimal, pH levels are stable.
Confirmed. The herd is showing healthy hydration levels according to the scans.
Check the humidity levels on the sensors. All green, the coats look excellent.
Easy now, walk right into the station.
All right, I have the scan. Starting the ultrasound now.
Capture the dental structure now. Ensure the skin condition on the flank is recorded. All parameters are being logged in the factory database.
It's okay, nice and easy now. You're doing great. She's secure, doctor. Thank you. Water on the medial claw, please. All indicators are green for the gray dairy cows.
The central database has successfully logged the excellent health status.
All parameters look good on this panel.
Lab results match the tag.
Verification complete. Issue the certificate.
The factory stands ready for another day of world-class livestock management and animal welfare. The documentary concludes with a magnificent aerial view.
The airflow levels are stabilizing now.
Looks good. The fibers are perfectly clean.
The consistency levels are holding steady at 98%.
Good, keep monitoring the input flow.
Finished yarn rolls pass through automatic inspection machines. Laser sensors detect uneven thickness or weak.
The density is perfect, running at full speed.
Looks good. We can maintain this pace until the shift ends.
Tunnelers. The fabric passes through relaxing machines to stabilize its shape. East Asian female workers inspect every
Fertilize. The knitted fabric enters large stainless steel dyeing machines. Eco-friendly dyes evenly color every fabric roll.
Automatic printing machines apply the factory logo and graphics. Heat press systems permanently bond every printed design.
Streams. Quality specialists inspect every garment thoroughly. Stitching, measurements, fabric quality, and print.
All shipments scanned for the morning run.
Okay, load them onto the Asia truck first.